Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate chip cookies without eggs and brown sugar. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F and line a baking sheet. Mix flour, baking soda, and salt, then cream butter with white sugar and molasses. Add applesauce for moisture and vanilla for flavor. Fold in chocolate chips gently to keep a tender crumb. Scoop uniform portions and bake until edges are golden and centers set. Start by measuring ingredients precisely and keep a small notebook for adjustments. Use 1/4 cup applesauce or mashed banana per egg and add 1 tablespoon molasses per 1/4 cup white sugar. Swap butter with coconut oil if you want a softer cookie. Mix gently to avoid overworking gluten and chill the dough for tighter edges. Bake in the middle rack for even browning and cool on a rack before serving. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for staying hydrated while you bake. It fits cup holders and keeps drinks cold. I like how it prevents spills while juggling trays of cookies. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Scoop uniform dough balls and space them 2 inches apart to allow spread. Use parchment or silicone mats and place the tray on the middle rack for even heat. Rotate the sheet halfway through baking to avoid hot spots and watch for golden edges with soft centers. Let cookies rest on the tray for 2 minutes, then transfer to a cooling rack. Store cooled cookies in an airtight container for up to 4 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.